Guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project in Yucaipa on Kaidota. I know, tongue twister. A lot has happened since our last video. I always say that, don't I, guys? All right, so we have our first coat of stucco up. That would be the scratch coat. For you first-time watchers, below this is the vapor barrier that looks like this, and wire mesh, kind of looks like chicken wire. And then that first layer of stucco goes up. So they call it scratch coat because it looks like I just put it on with my nails. Then the brown coat, which is the second layer, nice and thicker. And then the final color coat, which is going to match the house. Got something in my eye. The reason that we don't have stucco in the front here is we're gonna do a wood siding to emulate the house over there. We are also in the middle of drywall. A lot of drywall in this ADU. And we got the drywall crew here installing drywall. We upgrade our drywall. Standard drywall in most new builds is 1/2 inch, but here at the ADU Pro, we don't use 1/2 inch drywall. We use 5/8 drywall. You can see how thick it is here. So a lot thicker drywall than a standard build. My drywall here is telling me that he will have all the drywall up by end of business day tomorrow, which is Friday. So we'll call for our screw inspection first thing Monday morning. Now, what does that mean? You first time watchers, as you can see right there on this, that has a screw pattern. So there's a screw pattern for the walls and there's a screw pattern for the ceiling. And the inspector is going to look for those screw points because they're actually marked on the drywall for the drywall installers. So we'll get that done on Monday and then we can start finishing this drywall. A lot of taping and mudding. Depending on the weather is going to depend on how fast this will be done. Hoping by end of next week we'll be finished. He's like, yes, we'll be finished. And we'll be able to move forward on doing the finish work on the interior of this ADU. So guys, any questions about any process of the ADU, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812 and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.